Good morning, guys! Mahirap maggalaw-galaw. Laki na nga dito. Nakabihis na ako, guys. I think magko-coat ako kasi parang malamig na. Hindi ko maintindihan. Kahapon ang ganda ng weather. The other day, ang ganda din ng weather. Na parang okay lang ganito. But today, I'm not sure. Tapos meron pang thunderstorms today. Punta kami Brooklyn Bridge. Isa yan sa mga sobrang excited ako na puntahan. Gustong-gusto kong makita yung bridge. Maganda din yung mga nakita kong picture dun eh. Kasama namin si Yani at saka yung asawa niya pala today. And hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung pupuntahan namin today. Pero we will see. Yung asawa ni Yani, sobrang galing niya sa mga directions kasi obviously dito sila nakatira. So yeah, hindi kami mahihirapan mag-subway nito. Like, it sounds so easy, guys. Kasi meron naman siyang app. Tapos kapag inano mo sa maps, sasabihin mo, o punta ako doon. Sasabihin niya, o punta ka dito sa subway station na to. Pero pagdating mo sa subway station, merong downtown at saka uptown. So same letter, same number. Like, say, for example, R. Same R. Pero itong R na to papunta uptown. Yung papuntang downtown, ibang entrance pala. So, kailangan mo pang lumabas, tapos bumalik sa ibang entrance. It is confusing. Today looks good, babe, but it says 12 degrees. And thunderstorms.
Thunderstorms?
Yeah.
Maybe that was in the morning.
Yeah, do you want to check the weather again? Alam nyo ba, ayaw na ayaw ni Dan sa mani, na nilagang mani, ayaw na ayaw niya. Sabi niya, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit gustong-gusto mo to. Niluwa niya talaga, guys. Ayaw na ayaw niya. Sabi ko, ang sarap kaya. Yung lipstick natin, guys, naman, ulit. Actually, now magli-lip tint ako, guys. Itong, Roman Juicy Lasting Lip Tint. Shade niya, Fig Fig. Ayan. Roman. Meron to sa shop ko, guys. I-leave ko yung link in the description box kung gusto niyo siya i-check. What, guys?
Hey! Oh, no, you can't hide.
She said she will hide. Her friends are watching my videos. I was like, I'm gonna vlog you now.
And here we are in Brooklyn.
Char! Tour guide namin, guys. Tour guide na. Naulo, nabuang. Dito kami sa Brooklyn na, guys. Uli ka dito. Isama rin mo, friends.
Hi, Beulah.
Hello.
Gusto siya magpag-greet ni mo ni Dan.
Beulah?
Beulah.
Hi, Beulah. Beulah.
Hi, Viola.
Beulah.
Kids mo daw niya nga twins, si Gabby and Mikey.
Gabby and Mikey, hi, twins. Hello, ano? Puro ba? Lalaki?
It's gonna be windy today. Temperature's also
Nice.
gonna drop
Uy,
slightly.
ang lamig, guys. Sabi ni Dan, okay lang daw na ganito yung outfit ko. Magko-coat pa sana ako. Marshall. My coffee, guys. Starbucks. Oh, Shake Shack din, babe.
Oh, there's a Shake Shack.
Right there, Shake Shack, guys. Ganda dito, oh. Starbucks. Doggy! Marshalls, guys! Sabi niya ni ano daw dito, good deal. Punta tayo dito. Nakapunta na ako dito matagal na nung nasa US pa ako. Pero yeah. Ay, mga shoes. Yes, yeah. Mga shoes dito mas mura kaysa sa Australia. Lalo na kapag sale. Ayan, $99. $79. Oh, may 34 pa dun, guys. Oh. Sale. Maganda to pang pasulubong. Ito, fila. Ang cute, oh. Oh, $29 na lang. Adidas. Uy, ang mura niya na. Nasa TV kami, guys. Beware. Palengke, guys. Dito kami sa Market, Atlantic Center Market ata to. Mahirap siya hanapin. Pero, we found it. Dito kami sa loob. May mga pagkain sila dito, guys. Ito yung gustong puntahan ni Dan. Ang bango! Asan? Dan's. Babe, Dan's parents' house. Danny, look! Dan's parents' house. Right there. Oh, you can see it? Wala na siya. Okay. Kevs. Danny, did you see this?
I did, yeah. It's pretty reasonable price as well.
Is it? How much? Shake Shack tayo, guys. Ay, busy pa din, pero hindi kasing busy ng ano, city. Ah, it's still busy, babe.
They're all busy, aren't they?
Thank you, yep.
That's alright.
Sikat na Shake Shack, guys. Ay, hindi naman siya ganun ka-busy.
Hello.
Order here. I know, it's not that busy, babe. This is where you order. Yeah.
Alright.
The short line is the best line. The short line is the best line. Dito na kami, guys. First time sa Shake Shack. With a gang. Ito yung order namin, guys. Smoke Shack. Double yung kay Dan, yung akin single. Ay, ito ba yung akin? Yes. So, meron siyang bacon, guys. And we got the bacon, fries. I got Dr. Pepper, tapos si Dan, salted caramel shake.
You can definitely compare because in Las Vegas there's also an In-N-Out burger
And Shake Shack.
yes.
Yeah. Punta kami niya ng In-N-Out for sure. Mahilig siya sa burger eh.
So you can do like a side-by-side comparison.
Sige, babe.
Oh, this is very thick, isn't it? It's good.
Your first bite. Hindi ka wala ka ni-order ko?
Mukha ka ba yun ng burger?
Feeling gina ko, di ko ni mahurot. Siya may mukhaon ani. Let's go. Is it good? What, like really, really good? Oh, okay.
Delicious.
Baho, besh. Baho, guys. Mabaho.
Short, sabihin ako.
Baho. Sakay kami ng train papunta sa Dombo. Anong feeling sa Dombo? Down under Manhattan.
Down under Manhattan, Brooklyn.
Dombo.
Kehan, what's the O?
Overpass.
Yes.
Ay! Bongga. Diba? Char-char naman to ako. Ah, tama di ay. Sige. Makawala ni ba? Sa R tayo. Ay, wala na. Ay, dito rin baho.
Ay, salamat.
Wala na. Are we here? We can share.
I don't mind, though.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm all good. So this is where we catch it from?
Where?
We have to go to the R.
Yeah.
Where? Asan ba yung R?
Over there.
Okay. Dito na kami, guys, sa Dombo. Dombo. Windy siya, guys. So baka yung ano natin, audio natin, medyo, basta ka na, babe?
It's cactuses. Hedgerows. Restaurant.
Where are we going first,
Oh,
babe?
there's just one store I want to look at. It's
Store? Ito yung gusto puntahan ni Dan, guys. Front General Store. Gusto niya yung mga ganito. Gamay.
Rice.
Pang diet. O kani, nga nila kadaghan ni mo rice ha. Ano na? Mga navigator, guys.
Right here. So that's where we need to mark. Yeah, we could take great photos of the Brooklyn Bridge.
Oh, we'll go to Washington Street as well. We go that way. Washington Street? Yeah. I'm trying to find that, but where is it?
Sige, paglalis mo doha. Lahi na ilang gi-search doha. Guys, the infamous Brooklyn Bridge. Hala, nice kayo mag-picture dali. Daming tao, guys. Picture. Guys, mali ako kanina. Yan, Manhattan Bridge pala yan. Yan. Gondo. Manhattan Bridge yan, guys. Ito yung Brooklyn Bridge. Ayan. Kita nyo ba?
Is that Brooklyn?
So, yan yung Brooklyn Bridge. Tapos, ito Manhattan Bridge. Ang ganda, di ba, ng Manhattan Bridge? Diyan dumaan yung train namin kanina. So, lalakarin namin yung Brooklyn Bridge, guys. Tatawid din namin yan. Gondo. Ganda dito, guys. Sa loob kami ng market na naman. Nice. Mga artwork, oh. Guys, umakyat kami dito sa building rooftop. Yung very cool na vintage building. Sorry? Go up? Hello! Dito, oh, nice magpa-picture dito. Hello, nice, babe. Hello, guys. Ang ganda ng view. Ding, ding, ding. Diyan kami kanina sa labas. Dito kami sa carousel, guys. Yan. Gustong-gusto niya itong mga ganito eh. Pambata ba? Yan. Night photographer. Oh, ang cute. Gusto ni Dan puntahan to, guys. Juliana's Pizza. Kaya lang ang haba ng pila, oh. Tapos lalakaran pa namin yung Brooklyn. Tapos meron din dyan, Grimaldi's. Mahaba din yung pila sa Grimaldi's, guys. So, do you wanna skip it for now? I'm not sure, babe. Even if it's takeaway, they still have to cook it. Grabe, oh, ang haba ng pila. Oh, ang dami pang tao. Saan siya pupunta? Guys, look. Hello? Sino kaya si Brooke? Nasaan si Brooke? Ala, cute. Hindi na makita ni Brooke. Nakita ko. Maghuwat dyan ba? Ano sila? Huwat na ito, babe. Kinsas Brooke. Cute, sad, oy. Pagpasok namin, guys, nashock kami kasi ang daming naghihintay. Meron palang proposal na magaganap. Guys, hindi na namin hinintay yung proposal kasi si Brooke wala pa. Kakaano lang daw nila, kaka-pick up lang nila ng bike. Ang layo pa nun. So baka pagbalik namin, hindi kami babalik pala. Pero tuloy ang lakaran. Balik kami dito sa ano, guys, Flatiron Building. Gustong balikan ni Dan. Ano siya, nung una kami pumunta dito, sobrang umuulan. So hindi ko siya na-feel masyado. Pero it's actually really cool. Ang cool niya, tingnan, oh. Para siyang plancha. Are you taking a picture?
I'll take a better view.
Oh, of me? Okay. Where?
Look at the top, babe, like around the gutter side of it.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? Like they're right at the top of it. Like, how would you work on that building when it needs maintenance? It'd be so hard. These are things that keep me up at night.
Uwi lang kami ng hotel sandali, guys. Naghintay si Yani at saka si John sa baba. I-daan lang or i-drop lang namin yung mga gamit namin. Tapos punta kami Kabayan, guys, sa Woodside. Kasi ano daw dun, masarap daw talaga yung Filipino food dun. So, di ba kahapon nagpunta kami dun sa Ihawan and hindi kami nag-crispy pata. So, ngayon magka-crispy pata tayo, guys. Ihi muna ako. Oh! Ay, nice cam view, guys. Punta kami kay Kabayan. Dito kami, guys, sa sunny side pala, hindi sa Woodside. Punta kami kay Kabayan. Kain kami crispy pata. Kasama ko pa rin sila. The navigator. Dito kami, guys, Kabayan. Tara! Let's go! Busy siya. Ay, salamat! Thank you po. John.
Oh!
Dito kami sa Kabayan, guys. Nirecommend ni John at saka na yan eh. Sarap daw kasi. Padimure na naman siya. Yay! Salamat! Kabayan Filipino restaurant.
So here they
Oh,
have
di ba? Bali ang akin.
a lot of selections. So if you
Yes.
I would recommend Lumpiang Shanghai.
Yeah.
This one is good. Chicharon Bulaklak if you missed that.
Kabaw, ay, wala ko kabaon sa ng chicharon bulaklak. Saan na? Kanang chicharon na.
Appetizer. Okay.
Yeah. Ay, kana. Bituka? Kanang, lahi mo na tawag sa ato. Anong tawag dito? Ba't, dili ka?
Ginabot.
Ginabot sad, pero, tawag, kanang, kinain. What's up, guys? Later. First, lumpiang Shanghai. Sarap? Lami? Sige na siya tanong.
I'm too tired to talk. I'm tired.
Just nod the Filipino way. Chicharon bulaklak, guys. Try it, babe. Hindi kasi yan kumakain. Pag sinabi natin.
I'll let him try first.
Yeah.
Then you can tell us.
Yes, it's him. Sa Gugalaman. Thank you. Then. What do you think?
Deep fried ruffled duck.
Is that pig
Intestine.
intestine?
Yeah, of the pig.
It doesn't say even intestine.
Do you like it?
I won't eat another one. But
Di na siya kakain, sabi ko eh. Kare-kare, tingnan nyo yung rice. Grabe, oy. Ang sarap nito, guys. Promise.
sounds good.
Guys, crispy pata.
You want this, yani? You want the
Yeah, kare-kare. Go yan eh. Okay lang, uy.
at the bar at the side?
Oh. Buwag. Kalame.
Yeah, she has a tripod. Yeah, then I said, I have a camera like that, a small one like that. I showed it to them last night, but it doesn't have a battery. I don't know how to use it.
You gotta say hello.
Hi, how are you?
Best friend siya ni Dan. Lalakad lang kami sa Times Square, guys. Pauwi na sana kami, pero hindi pa kami nakapunta dito. Area at saka American Eagle. Diyan, kasi ako bumibili ng mga panty ko. Yan sa area. Kasi kasya sa akin. Meron silang extra small. Sana may sale. Kasi hindi uso ang sale dito eh. Iba din eh. Oh, new bras. 40% off ba, guys? All bras and bralettes. Tingnan natin. Feel it. Feel it.
Yeah, feels good.
Stretch. Ano siya, guys? 7 for $29. If you buy one, $14 isa.
There's one at $14.
I know. Where are we going, my love?
To bed, my love.
Guys, Hershey's. Before ng hotel, Hershey's muna tayo. Gusto niya yan, yung s'mores. Pumunta kami dito last time, wala yung s'mores kasi naubusan daw sila ng cracker. So sana ngayon meron, guys. Sana may cracker sila. Tagal na niyang gustong kainin tong s'mores. Laging wala. Tingnan natin. Ay, finally! Oh, you want girls?
Awesome, thank you for that.
Dito kami sa lobby, guys. Ang tingnan nyo naman ito. Lobby ng hotel ba? Ang ganda, oh. Pwede kayo mag-chill dito. And then I think they have a computer station here as well. Kasi tinanong sila ni Dan kung ang ganda dito ha. Ang ganda ng ambience. Which room? May room dun. Toilet naman ata yan, babe. And is it really, really good? Is it worth $15?
It's $10.
$10 US. Is it good? Marshmallow lang naman yan, diba? Tapos cracker, tapos chocolate.
It's not worth $15.
It's not worth $15.
It's worth $30.
Oh, whatever.
So good.
Really?
Nah,
Grabe siya.
but it's good, but not worth that.
Yeah.
You like the marshmallow, don't you? Is
It's alright. May ipiprint lang kami, guys. Ticket. Para sa hockey game ata. Is that what we're printing? The hockey game ticket? There you go. Ooh.
Come for a job interview. Sit right here, my love.
Job interview. Ask me some job interview questions.
What is your strengths?
My strengths are your weaknesses.
I have no weakness.
But
You have no strengths.
let's print this, my love. Games. Do you want games?
No, I can't. I don't need that. Go.
Email.
Go you dinner. Make sure you log out as well, okay?
No, I'm not gonna log out, babe. I'm not gonna log out. Why would I log out? And then I got an email right away that someone's trying to log in. Yes, security alert.
Just carry on.
That's me. Alright, what are we printing?
No, the tickets.
This one?
Yeah.
Hindi ko nadala yung lash serum ko. Yun pa naman yung sobrang gustong-gusto ko lately. Hindi ko naman nadala, guys. So, sobrang magiging damage na tong eyelashes ko kasi halos mamaskara ko araw-araw yung heroin make. And yung gamit ko na makeup remover is ito from Clio. Ito guys, oh maliit siya. Nakita ko lang to sa sa skincare stash ko. And it's so cute. So sabi ko dalhin ko siya. And in fairness sa kanya ha, ginagamit ko siya every night. And dyan pa rin ako oh. So marami-rami pa din siya. Yun na yung vlog. Salamat guys for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! Mwah!